Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix something went wrong on YouTube. If you try to play a video on YouTube and saying here error something went wrong, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So firstly you have to close this page, and maybe it is because of network connection, so you have to open settings first. And the first thing is that you have to turn an aeroplane mode, and after 30 or 40 seconds turn it off again. And if you are using Wi-Fi, tap on Wi-Fi. Now from here you have to forget this network and then rejoin it, and after that go back from here. And if you are using mobile data, just simply tap on cellular data, then tap on cellular data option, then tap on 4G, and make sure that if you have checked on 4G, and then tap on this one and make sure that if this toggle is turned off, and then go back from here and then check whether your farm has been fixed or not. And if the problem is there, then it may be for an update, so you have to update your YouTube from App Store. So just simply open App Store and you have to search for YouTube and make sure that you don't have an update there. If you have, just simply update the YouTube and then check whether your farm has been fixed or not. Another box is there, then what you need to do is just simply open setting, and then you have to scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way. Now tap on VPN and device management and make sure that you are not connected with VPN. Then tap on transfer reset, tap on, and then tap on reset, and from here you have to reset network setting or reset all setting. And after that you have to restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. Another one suggest there, then you have to open any browser in your phone, like I'm opening Google Chrome here, and from here you have to search for youtube.com, and from here try to play a video. If it's showing here error, then it's a bug from YouTube, so you have to wait for some hours, and after some hours your problem automatically will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.